Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I want to share the most important fundamental. It is literally helpful for you as well me. So if you are beginners or if you are native speaker, so this video is literally for you. So let's jump on today's topic. Okay, so when you start to speak English, this time some vocabulary, some sentence, some phrases, it's in your mind. So then which is you're doing the same mistake again and again. That's why you are not doing well related English, because when you start to do this mistake again and again, then this time this vocabulary, this sentence is not in your mind. That I can say, you don't mug up the same vocabulary, same phrases. Remember just vocabulary. You don't need to remember the phrases, different phrases. Okay, why? Because vocabulary is important to improve your English, but phrases is not important. Okay, so you should try to make this phrases in the help of vocabulary, because vocabulary is helpful but phrases is not helpful. You don't remember, you don't mug up the same phrases many more time. Okay, so if you are doing the same mistake, so stop today. Because when I start my English journey, I had do the same mistake, and that's why my English was not well. That's why. So you have to stop this mistake. And second mistake that you are doing, stop the learning and start to focusing, start to speaking. It is a literally helpful for you, because so many beginners they start to learn English. So many people they start to our English journey in the basis of grammatical methods. They are apply the grammatical methods, some fundamentals in the basis of some grammars, some lot of hard vocabulary, and you don't mug up this all about thing. Okay, because my individual information I want to tell you, because I had start my English journey. I don't want to start कि भाई इंग्लिश एक ऐसी लैंग्वेज है कि वो बहुत टफ है, हम वो सीख ही नहीं सकते, ये माइंडसेट था मेरा. एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हेन आई स्टार्ट, I realize each and everything that possible. Just try to work on it. Just try to put efforts so many times, and after that you will able to connect this language in the native speaker. Okay, so this all about type. This all about information that is little helpful. So if you are beginner, so follow this. And again, second thing that which is I want to tell you, just try to speak many more time, because speaking is the most important thing in English journey. Because you don't want to speak, just you want to learn again and again. So this is the not best way, this is the not best method that will help to improving. No, this is not well. So you have to start speak. I don't want to say speak with surrounders, speak with on the stage. No, in front of people. Just try to make one particular video and just try to listen a video so many times, and you don't fear about where if I am doing the so many mistake and what I my English is not well, I'm not able to speak English. So start to fear of this situation. You have to start a mistake again and again and again. Okay, don't feel underconfident. Okay, you are waiting the right time, so stop waiting today. Now it is the best time. If you are beginners, so start this thing today. So this time that I wanted, this thing that I wanted to share with you, and this is the part of English journey. So start this today thing and just make one particular video and try to watch so many times. Okay, so don't feel about I'm doing mistake. Start again and again, because you want to improve your English. So this thing will not happen in just one day. You have to try, put our efforts daily. You have to try to practice more and more time, and try to focus on one particular thing. Okay, that is the simple method you can try, you can, okay, uh, practice on it. Just if you want to improve English, just follow one thing. Thank you for watching this video. You are watching this video very first time, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching this video.